With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is calculate the value of the equilibrium constant Kf for the reaction zinc 2 plus aqueous plus 4 OH negative aqueous. It forms ZnOH4 2 minus aqueous. And the other reduction potential values are also given. Zinc 2 positive forms zinc and its reduction potential value is given minus 0.76. And for this reduction ZnOH4 2 minus plus 2 electron, it forms Zn solid plus 4 OH negative. E naught is given minus 1.36 volt. And 2.303 RT by F value is given as 0.06. So in this question we have to calculate the equilibrium constant for this reaction. So we are given, we have to calculate the equilibrium constant for this reaction, that is Zn2 positive plus 4 OH negative aqueous and another reaction that is given is Zn plus 2 forms Zn and E naught value is minus 0.76 volt. Now we want that this in the right hand side, so if we reverse this equation, so it will become Zn solid plus 4 OH negative, it forms ZnOH 4 2 negative plus 2 electrons, and E naught value will be, because this is now the oxidation reaction, so it will become the oxidation potential and become positive. So if we add these two equations, this Zn will be get cancelled and 2 electrons will also get cancelled. So we have Zn2 positive plus 4 OH negative, it forms ZnOH4 2 negative, and the E naught of the cell will then become, E naught of cell will be, this is the oxidation potential and this is the reduction potential, so its value will become, now see if we calculate, if we have to calculate the E for this reaction, let's say this is E3 and the E1 is this and E2 will be this. So we have to calculate for the E3. Now as we know that delta G is equal to minus NEF, it means for this reaction delta G1 that will be equal to minus N1EF, and N1 for this reaction is 2 electrons are used, so it will be minus 2F and E1. Similarly for this reaction delta G2 it will be minus N2 E2 into F, and for delta and for E3 this reaction delta G3 will be minus N3 EF E3. So if we add these, we have added this, so delta G3 will be delta G1 plus delta G2, it will become minus F will get cancelled, so it will become N3 E3 equals to N1 E1 plus N2 E2. Now we have to calculate E3, so it will be N1 E1 plus N2 E2 divided by N3. N1 value is 2, E1 value is minus 0.76 plus N2 value is 1.36, sorry, N2 value is 2 and E2 value is 1.36. So it will be divided by N3. Now E3 will be, it will be 1.2 divided by N3. Now we have to calculate the equilibrium constant, and using the Nernst equation, it will be, Nernst equation is E cell equals to E naught cell minus RT by NF log Q, and at equilibrium at equilibrium E cell is 0 and Q becomes the K, that is equilibrium constant. So it will be E naught cell is equals to RT by NF log K. Now we are given the value of RT by F. Sorry, it should be 2.303 RT. Either it should be ln Q or it should be 2.303 RT by F. So 2.303 RT by F value is given as 0.06 and N value will be for this reaction, for the final reaction. This is the final reaction, same as this. So it will be the number of electrons, that will be N3 for this, and E naught cell we have calculated, that is 1.2 by N3. It will be log K. So this N3 will be cancelled. It will be 1.2 divided by 0.06 equals to log K. Now this value is equal to 20 and it will be log K, and this is log base 10. So K will be 10 raised to power 20. So equilibrium constant for this reaction is 10 raised to power 20. So the correct answer to this question is the C option, 10 raised to power 20. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.